Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love plants, home decor and easy indoor gardening, then you are in the right place. Today's video is very special because we are talking about top house plants in the USA. These are the plants that most people in the USA keep in their homes. They are beautiful, easy to care for and perfect for apartments and houses. Whether you are a beginner or already love plants, this video will help you choose the best house plant. So relax, enjoy the video and let's start. Our first plant is the snake plant. This is one of the most popular house plant in the USA. Why do people love it? Because it is very easy to care for. Snake plant can live in low light, bright light, even with little water. You only need to water it once every 10 to 15 days. It also helps to clean the air, which is great for bedrooms. Snake plant is perfect for beginners. The next plant is famous Monstera. This plant has big green leaves with natural cuts. In the USA, people love Monstera because it looks very modern. It makes the home look stylish. Interior designers use it a lot. And the care is so simple. Bright indirect light, water once a week. Place it in your living room for a beautiful look. The next is Pothos. Pothos is another favorite houseplant in the USA. It has also trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. Why is pothos popular? Number one, very easy to grow fast, can live in low light. You can place pothos on shelves, in hanging pots, on office desks. Water it once the soil feels dry. The next plant is ZZ plant. ZZ plant is perfect for busy people. It has shiny green leaves and looks very neat. People in the USA love ZZ plant because it needs very little water. It survives in low light. It looks expensive and clean. You can water it every 2 weeks and great for offices and apartments. The next plant is peace lily. Peace lily is a very beautiful plant. It has green leaves and white flowers. Why people keep it? Looks elegant, helps clean in the air, and tells you when it needs water. When it needs water, the leaves drop a little and keep it in medium light and water once a week. Rubber plant is very popular in the USA homes. It has big dark green leaves. Why it is trending? Makes rooms look bigger, grow tall, easy to care. Keep it near a bright window but not in direct sunlight. Water every 7 to 10 days. Next plant is spider plant. Spider plant is a fun and friendly plant. It has long thin leaves and produce baby plants. Why it is popular? Because very easy to grow, safe for pets, looks great in hanging pots. Spider plant likes bright indirect light, water when the topsoil is dry. Next is Fiddle-Leaf Fig is very stylish plant. Many American homes and offices have this plant and it has a large violin shaped leaves and the care tip is bright light, water once a week, don't move it often and it looks best in living rooms and corners. The next, which is my favorite, is the succulents and cactus. Succulents and cactus are very popular in the USA and they are small plants with thin leaves. Why people love them? Need very little water, perfect the desk and the shelves and very decorative. Place them near sunlight and water once every 2 to 3 weeks. Next plant is aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is a medical plant and it needs light, bright sunlight, water every 2 weeks and use good for skin and minor burns. The next is philodendron. Philodendron has a heart-shaped leaves, easy indoor plant and very popular in the US apartments. Next is Chinese evergreen, also we called aglonema, and it has colorful leaves, grows well in low light and great for beginners. Next is Boston fern. Soft green leaves, good for air quality and like the moisture. Next is Erica palm. Erica palm needs bright indirect light, watered regularly, and tropical indoor look. The next is Dracaena. Dracaena needs low to medium and once a week water and tall modern plant in the USA. Now my dear friends, here are some simple plant care tips for USA homes. Number 1, don't overwater. Number 2, use pots with drainage holes. Number 3, rotate plants every week. And the number 4, clean leaves with a soft cloths. And the last one is use indoor plant soil. These small tips help plants grow better. So these were the top house plants in the USA. Which plant do you like the most? Tell me in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the plant lovers. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.